Welcome to Amazon Step Walkthrough. You can visit Step via the navigation panel on Seller Central. On Step Dashboard, you can view your current level here, basis which you get your Step benefits. You can also view your trending level here. The notification panel on top informs you on the critical actions and key updates. You can see your metric-wise performance under the Your Performance section. You can also view the metric-wise targets for each level under the Benchmark section. Step also provides custom recommendations at ASIN level to improve your metrics. You can take recommended actions directly, like editing the listing, updating details, and more. On Step Dashboard, you can check the benefits you get across all the levels. On the Benefits Dashboard, you can view your savings, check status, and claim your benefits. You can also view the Step Dashboard with metrics and ASIN level recommendations on the Seller app. Keep selling on Amazon and grow your business.